This is Tony, a Masterful Engineer, member of the Engineer Team Network. This particular bar we're looking at today is a Baxi combi 133HE Plus. And the problem that we're having today is no central heating. The hot water's working okay, but no heating. So what I'm going to do, I've looked at the room thermostat, that's clicking. So I'm going to link out the external control to see if there's a problem with that. If the boiler fires up, then it's an external control problem. So I've just took the back off, well, the front off the room thermostat. We're now going to look at that. I'm just going to link out the connections on the room stat. That's this one and that one. I'm going to put a link across there. So there's a link what I've put across. So we'll test the boiler again. The boiler is now making a reaction, so it's looking like it is the room thermostat. But there's a twist to this because the boiler is going to fire up, which fired up, but you can hear it making that sparking or funny noise, which is, it came from the board, and the burner's gone back off again. So you can see the burn like it's gone off. I've just repeat this process again. I've turned the boiler back off and turn it back on again. So listen for this noise again. So the pump's running. The fan just started. It's igniting now. The burn lights come on and you hear that noise. And it's gone off again. So to me that's looking like the circuit board. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So if you get this particular problem, this is what you have to do. So thanks for watching. You can make any comments below or on the website. So again, thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.